Hello and welcome everyone. This is going to be a full-fledged guide regarding Google Ads suspension. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And I provide Google Ads setup, management services, and especially restoration and suspension services for clients. I've been providing this service for many years, and I have a team of professionals who work along with me as we are a Google Partner company. For those who don't know, Google Ads is a simply platform through which you can advertise your websites online on Google properties such as Google, YouTube, Gmail, and through the Google AdSense program. They also participate in over 80% of the website through Google AdSense webmasters, and you can place your web ad on any place you want to offer. But you know that there is a very big problem happening all around the time is that majority of the people today or somehow have to see this Google ad suspension, which is a very bad thing. And in this video I will be revealing few of the reasons why. So let's get started on why Google ads suspend account. So let's look on why Google ads suspend account. There are many reasons. First of all, the reason is it could be an automated algorithm error. Your ads were running fine, suddenly you saw that your account is being suspended due to an automatic algorithm check, and they found violations in your Google Ads account and they mistakenly suspended your account. This is one of the reasons. Other reasons include not complying with policies. There are policies like copyright content, gambling content, pornography, under construction content, misleading page, low quality page, clocking, doing affiliate marketing, malicious ads, circumventing system errors, unpaid balance, suspicious. I mean, there are so many reasons, through which your account can we get suspended. You may have your trademark issues, misrepresentation content. If you are using Google multiple accounts, Google ideally do not recommend you to use multiple accounts. Prohibited content, restricted content, editorial and technical content, plus competitors reporting you is also one of the reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended. Your website is selling illegal services. There are repeat policy violations in your Google Ads account. This is the people face, and they ignore this thing as well. The display and destination URL do not match, and there is a error on this. There is unauthorized access on your account. You are sharing your account with others. There is a protocol procedures in case if you want to share your account with other. But if you're using the same user and password share with other people, this can also cause Google Ads suspension. And your website do not have a privacy policy, terms of service. Your website has wrong claims on your website. This could be another reason as well. Mistake like misrepresentation. So there are many reasons why your Google Ads account is being suspended. Now let's move on to Google Ads suspension type. There are many Google Ads suspension types through which your Google Ads account can get suspended, maybe suspended. So there are many things. The first thing is a very popular error, that is Google Ads account being suspended for suspicious payment. When Google feels like the details of the visitor who has added those details and the details being provided do not match with each other, Google feels like there is suspicious activity. The IP address of the internet and the IP address of your credit card profile do not match. If you are using proxy, VPN, there could be another reason as well. There could be, I have seen scenarios where suspicious payment error is being like if there is a previously suspended account, you can also see the suspicious payment error on the that as well. If you have targeted on blacklisted products, that could be a reason as well. If your old account was suspended for another reason, and you created a new account, this is suspended again. If your old account was suspended for violation like circumventing or any other, and you create a new account, then your account can be get for suspicious payment. The second error is a very common case. The Google Ads account suspended for repeated violation. So this is another reason. Third is Google Ads suspended for circumventing system. Circumventing system is primarily clocking, or when Google feels like you are not satisfying the users and you are confusing the user. You are showing different thing, and in reality you have a different thing. So that is another reason as well. Your account suspended for no reason is another reason. Your account suspended for unauthorized attempt. Your account suspended for unfair advantage policy. your account suspended for egregious violation. You can see over here, profile cannot be verified. Advertiser verification, your account can also be get suspended for advertiser verification. Your account can also get suspended for unpaid balance. Your account can get suspended for unpaid balance as well. There are many reasons through which your account can get suspended. Now for those people who see that the how to solve these issues, even the first thing is to first of all sort your website. There are many issues. I have so far, me and my team has done so far hundreds of cases, and we felt like there are 2-3 possible areas where people do not look around. Fixing your suspended website, they do not bother looking around and simply do the appeal procedure. They ignore the disapproved ads, and again asking Google for what kind of a policy violation you are doing, and look around those, sort out those problems as well. In case if you want to hire me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description. So far solved hundreds of cases, and the best thing is even for preventing suspension is simply following the rules. I can even show you a few of the case studies, over here. You can see over here that majority of the reviews, I have so far solved many cases, and I just charge a very good amount, very reasonable amount to get your account sorted. In case if you need a professional help, you can hire me through the link in the description, and we can help you in restoring the accounts. But that I have tried to list majority of the reasons, but there could be other reason as well. So guys need to open, and the first thing in anything is you need to open for complying with Google Ads policies is very important. You cannot run it without complying with Google Ads policies. So complying with Google Ads policies is very important. That is one of the most important thing you have to do, is to comply with Google Ads policies. You cannot simply progress without doing it. So there are certain policies. I like told you about website issues. Okay, there could be issues in your Google Ads account. Okay, you may see some issues in your Google Ads account. You do not know. As a professional, I have been solving accounts, I have been solving disapproval cases, I have been solving Google Ads suspensions, I have even solving Google business profile, I have been solving Google Merchant Center. So I know what Google is looking on, and I can help you in sorting out, figuring out those issues, so your profile gets clean. In case if it's an issue, we can sort it out. In case if it's an issue in the content, in case if your website lacks like a payment policy page, shipping policy page, terms of service policy page, in case if there is terms of service issue, in case we will also look on competitors, to see how their ad website versus your website, how their ad copy versus your ad copy, to figure out where exactly we are losing on. So I also primarily work with Google for a manual review. As a Google partner, solve dozens of cases, dozens from years. It's not doing something we started today. It's doing from years. It's been more than 10 years. We have been providing these services. I've been doing Google Ads for more than 15 to 16 years, but the Google Ads account is expected to be 10 years around, and so far solved various of cases. And majority of the cases requires a manual review. We discuss with the Google. You have to be patient, you have to be supportive, you have to be adaptive in doing the changes on your website, you have to be adaptive in sorting out the issues on Google Ads account. Sometimes Google has mistakenly linked, and there is no violation, but has mistakenly considered your website to be suspended. We have to get it manually restored. Takes time, takes multiple efforts, which is why I have a team of professionals who work along with me to sort out issues. So yeah, but if you are patient, if you are supportive, you can get your Google accounts back. And this is not the only case studies I am sharing over here on my blog page. Like I showed you over here, some like these cases, but these are not. But I have done a lot of case studies, and there there are hundreds of cases. Even I could say thousands of cases. For Google Ads suspension which we have done. So our prices are reasonable. In case if you want to hire me and my team to get your Google Ads account restored, you can simply hire me and my team through the link in the description, and I will love to work with you in restoring your Google Ads account. In case if you need Google Ads management services, me and my team can help you in that as well. Sometimes people have Google Merchant Center account suspended, Google Business Profile Ads account suspended. I can help on those as well. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we can sort these out. And we also provide Google Ads management services. So in case if you need that service, again, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope this answers your question, and I look forward to working with you guys. I have a 170 plus steps checklist, 170 plus steps checklist to get your account back. We are going to use it to get your account back, plus looking on your competitors to get your back. We will do the comparison, and then we will explain to the Google, if your competitor can run ads, why can't we? Or in case if there is any complying error, definitely we can get it sorted. So yeah, I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and in case if you want our services, again you can hire us through the link in the description, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye bye.